What the f? You're probably wondering how I got here. What, just 3 weeks after I took the vlog clip saying now we need to find an apartment, here I am 8 a.m. in the morning leaving to go to my apartment in Miami. My car is absolutely packed full of everything that I own. This apartment was furnished. I decided to not get a U-Haul or anything. I just wanted to pack my car, get rid of everything else and just go. Just start fresh. You feel me? It was really difficult, but I got everything in. Now we're doing the thing. Just sending it. I'm all in. I'm all in. Not many people are all in. Going to Starbucks, it's always how we begin here. And I'm gonna get on the road. I'll explain to you guys how I got here, how I got this apartment, the struggles I went through. There's gonna be clips from this last week. Show happy days, sad days, struggles, hardship, laughs, anything. They're in this week. You just wait. Let me put my seatbelt on. None of you guys know this is going on at the moment. You won't be seeing this until after it happens. I am going to be hitting 22.2K today on Instagram. Now, if you guys have been following me for a while, you guys know I've got the 222 tattoo and I've made a whole thing about it at this point. People message me all the time, sending me pictures when they see angel numbers. It's literally so cute. I know some people think it's just complete bullshit. That's fine. Either way, it is a little inside joke on my page. I already knew I was gonna hit it today yesterday, but then I just randomly got the decision to I should make something out of this. Initially I was gonna do the whole balloon but then I was like, that's tacky. I'm gonna get a cake and I'm gonna put 222 candles on it. I think I'll be able to get a cool picture. I want it to be tasteful. Now I'm moseying my way down to Walmart. I will let you guys know once I find the cake of my dreams. I also forgot to mention something huge. The reason I'm making such a big deal out of this is because it's going to be my 222nd, however the you say that. 222, 22nd, what the 222nd, what the is it? It's gonna be that post. I kind of had, the last couple days it's been on my mind, I'm not gonna lie, but I thought that I was gonna hit 222 posts before I was gonna hit 222 followers. It's actually been the opposite problem. I've got followers a lot quicker than I thought. It all just worked out. I knew it would. Of course I'm gonna hit them at the same time. I got what I needed to get. I decided on this cake. Cute little pink cake, so perfect, so cute. Would I normally choose a strawberry cake? No, but that doesn't mean I won't like it. I thought it would just look the cutest. Here's where the pickle came in. It only had these stupid ones. So ugly, right? And I have this white frosting, and I think I'm just gonna fill them in with white. I hate the polka dots. Ew. Ew. I would never eat this. Jeez, I should be a cake decorator. That's incredible. It just fell face down on my desk.
Your call with one of our agents.
Yeah, my card I have to verify.
Calling, did you get up service today?
Yes. Kaylee Carlson.
That your name is.
Hello, can you hear me? I didn't know what was going on.
I give you a quick call and say good luck on the road trip.
Oh, thank you so much. I can't believe it's finally here.
Yeah, it's very exciting.
Fucking devastated. Devastated. Forgot to get cake pops. What was I thinking? I guess I can go tomorrow. Oh, I have to put in the GPS. How the fuck do I get to Florida? Today at Starbucks, they have the pumpkin cold brew shit right now. I think it's overrated. Look, other people are scared to say it. Other people are scared to talk about it. They don't want to be the bad guy. I'm not. It's not that good. I think the brown sugar oat milk shaken espresso. I remember when I used to have to look that up. Look at me now. This shit's so what? This is fucking beautiful. I had to take a picture of this. And I got my bacon Gouda egg sandwich. Sitting here and not listening to music for a half hour because I was trying to think of the word. I don't even know, but I forgot that I was out of gas. So I was just driving, and I looked down. It doesn't even tell me how many miles I have left. That's how low I am. Closest gas station, it was saying it was half hour away. I was like, I'm but just past this exit and it says there's a gas station right here. Back in business. Ooh, my first sightseeing. Look at this cool bridge. Looks pretty cool. This 11-12. I missed 11-11. This is actually pretty dope. Honestly, I was kind of being sarcastic. This is pretty sick, I'm not gonna lie. I enjoy the little things, I really do. I show actual construction. I am moving in 10 days, but I just don't think, I don't know, I just don't feel like I have that much to do, to be honest. I have to pack all of my belongings, have not even begun. Here I am at the gym at 3 p.m. It's fine. Decided when I get home, I'm gonna clean my car though. It's still productive. Don't kill me, spider. Don't get near me. Don't look at me. Oh my god, I don't even think I can pull over here. I'm panicking. Exit. I don't know if I'm allowed to pull over here. Okay, you guys, I don't know where the spider went, but I'm okay, don't cry. Don't freak out. You're gonna find it. What the does someone do in this situation? It is 1 p.m. on the dot. I'm about to pee my pants. And I also should probably start thinking about lunch. I'm not that hungry. Also, at Spider Fiasco, I'm deciding to just move on. Peace, love, blessings. And I'm just gonna pretend it was on the outside of my car and I just made a mistake. Whole bag of snacks that I got yesterday. Cookie dough bites, Rice Krispies, peanut butter filled pretzels. I'm gonna eat those. My drive has been nothing crazy. Kinda wish it was crazier. No, I don't. I take that back, universe. Do not make it crazier. Crazier when you're just driving straight only means bad things, honestly. Going through West Virginia usually sucks because it's like just really long and boring, but I will say it's kind of pretty. You probably won't be able to tell. Over there, you can't tell. Just trust me. It's really cool. How are men harassing me from their car? This orange car, when I would try and pass them, they would speed up. It's like unsafe. Like you don't want to make eye contact with these people when you're driving. It's avoiding looking and then they beep their horn. I'm obviously avoiding looking over. I look over to this like guy, grown man. And I don't know, there was someone in the passenger seat, not even playing. He's like this. I go, I look immediately back, thinking he's just gonna keep driving like a normal human. No, he doesn't. He stays next to me, right? Beeps his horn again. I look over, he waves at me again, and I go, I was a bitch. Because I'm like, stop bothering me. Let me just drive in peace, would you? Happy Labor Day. It is my last week in New York. It's Monday. I should be packing right now. My friend asked me if I wanted to like run some errands with her and I'm never gonna say no to that.
If this isn't the right one, I'm just gonna off myself. So
Vinny's vape died. We wanted it to be charged, quite simply. Oh, we stopped at the gas station. This is the OG gas station. We've had a lot of memories. Runs in and gets a charger. Hey, we're in business. Comes out, wrong one. She cool about it?
it's like, wait, it's not for an iPhone? And I was like, no.
Saw a road sign that said Scenic Overlook. That sounds like exactly the type of thing I would love to see. Scenic Overlook, left 1/4 of a mile. I also been a really distracted driver this whole trip. I really need to get it together. Really unsafe. Oh, I missed it. I missed it. I didn't know it was that close. It was like 4 lanes over, bro. What? It's 4 o'clock. I decided to stop and get food. I'm at Chick-fil-A. I don't even know where I'm gonna put it. I have so much stuff. I'm not gonna stop and eat. We keep it moving around here. We keep it moving. I've got like 13 hours left. I remember going through this bridge when I was younger and me and my sister would get so excited. I don't know why. 10:23. I'm looking for a hotel. Not going good. I'm just like sketched out. I want a not sketchy one. I'm gonna get gas really quick. Try and find a hotel. So I decided to just drive really late today and then get there tomorrow afternoon rather than getting there Thursday morning. Just felt like a whole waste of a day to drive all day tomorrow. I'm not just. I don't know what I did. I don't know if they all come with this. Why does my hotel room have a hot tub? Why is there a hot tub in my hotel room? I didn't do this on purpose. Anyway, I made it. I just got to Georgia. Tomorrow we've got like 6 hours. I just can't wait. In the morning when I get ready, I'll explain to you guys how this apartment situation, how I even got it in the first place, because it's a crazy story. It's Friday. I've done like nothing at all to get ready to move to content all day. That's not my priority. And now I'm gonna eat and go to the gym. And honestly, I don't know what's wrong with me because I'm gonna really, really regret this probably in a few days. I'm about to hit back in biceps. And honestly, I kind of just said packing today. I have all day tomorrow, all day Sunday, and all day Monday. So I don't see why I would just let it affect my day today on a Friday. I'm so tired. 5:40 in the morning. 5. Rest. I'm gonna just touch up my hair. Oh, you may be wondering, how did you get this apartment, Kay? The last time we talked, we didn't have an apartment, which is valid. That's true. I kind of figured I wasn't gonna get approved. I couldn't prove the income that I'm making for as long as they wanted me to prove it. I'm getting out. The approval process was just like, I was really struggling because I also don't have a lot of credit history for like the priced apartments that I was looking for. Really upset. I thought I wasn't gonna be able to get into anywhere nice for a few months. My friend that I used to bartend with like a year ago sent me a screenshot of this girl's story. It says, I'm subleasing an apartment in downtown Miami. And I was like, no way. Tell me why I go to her page. Fitness influencer just like me. I ended up messaging her that day. She's like, look, other people are interested interested, and I was like, I'll give you the money right now. I knew I wouldn't have to go through the approval process or anything. So that's how I got the apartment, you guys. You know that I wasn't actually planning on being in Miami. I said that in my last vlog. If you haven't seen that vlog, you probably should go look at it. Everything just makes more sense. I wasn't planning on being in Miami, but if that's where this universe is taking me, I'm not gonna say no. That apartment just fell into my lap. I'm not gonna say no to that. And honestly, I was starting to get to the point where I was like, maybe I should be in Miami my first year, just for the matter of like work and like networking, meeting people. I look good. I feel good. It's gonna be such an amazing day for me. Just wow. That's why I love vlogging, because it's like I have this stuff on camera now. Down the line when I'm doing my dreams, I can watch this video and be like, this is the day it all started. My Starbucks guy pull up to the window and immediately he looks at me, walks over and puts his head down on the rest and goes, how you doing? You doing okay? He's from New York. Just love talking to people. I love meeting new people. Got my drink, not as pretty as yesterday, but still beautiful. And I got my breakfast sandwich. Officially made it. Walking in. Don't mind all my stuff. Not even close to all of it. Beautiful cabinets. We got a little table, garbage. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this room yet. Maybe a content room, closet, mix of both. The living room, bathroom. So nice. Look at my view. A little desk. Sorry if I'm like low energy, you guys. I'm tired. Look at how stunning. I need to get a comforter today. It's already 5 o'clock. I don't want to be outside when it's dark out. Miami's dangerous. I don't need to get murked my first night here, okay? I need to go to TJ Maxx, but I also need to unpack my car. I'm gonna go to TJ Maxx first until I realize, well, I don't really have room in my car to put things. I have to empty my car at least like halfway. I don't feel like doing it. I just want to like have fun and like just I don't want to do it. But I'm so happy. I'm in such a good mood. I'm so excited. This apartment is just like beautiful and I can't wait to like make it my own. Oh my god, I can't believe this is my life now. I brought a few things upstairs, going down to my car, go to TJ Maxx, hopefully find an amazing comforter. Oh my gosh, it's freaking chaos. It is pouring rain right now. Just stopping at KFC. I'm gonna do most things tomorrow. I better go before I get in a car accident. Good morning, you guys. I just woke up. Now I'm gonna start grinding. I want to go up to the rooftop though. Let's go. Cut. That's a wrap. I've already edited the entire vlog. It's not my favorite vlog I've ever done. I like to give you guys a lot of entertainment. It was kind of hard when I'm in the car for that long. Now that I'm here, the content is just gonna go from like 0 to 100. I already did so much stuff my first week here, and I already have so many ideas. I have like over 200 of you guys on here, which is crazy because I feel like I like just started. My next vlog is already filmed. Now, once I get this one up, I'm gonna edit that one. Hopefully it'll be up in a week's time. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button. That vlog is gonna be coming at you. I tried out a bunch of different gyms. I went on a yacht. If you guys want to see that footage, make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you've been watching my journey or if you're new here, so much love. I'm so grateful you're here. I'm so blessed I get to do this every single day. I will talk to you guys in my next vlog. Go follow my other socials where I'm super consistent every single day. Until then, I don't know. Love you. 222nd post. This is my 222nd post. Okay, that makes sense, right?